body wakes from sleep, the first way of beginning. Blink your eyes, switch the day on, breathe in deep, the lungs ring the bell. Fingers wiggle, blood finds its roads, toes tap lightly, joint sound reveille. Turn the neck gently, loosen time's pendulum. One wide yawn, airways open in the brain. Stretch up long, shake off night's rust. Swallow once the stomach clocks in. Shoulders shrug, shaking stiffen thoughts. Tap the waist, check the body's axis. Sit and stand, a rehearsal for the day. Open the window, step one pace closer. Pull the curtain, sunlight stretching. Wash the face, facial muscles reporting. Brush the teeth, wrists begin their drills. Lift a glass of water, greet the gut. Tie the shoes, practice balance. Bend the head, searching for the phone. Lift it again, posture restored. Like the second hand ticking, the heart prepares. A tiny sway becomes the seed of health. Still cells receive the signal. Stillness turns to rust. Movement becomes oil. Once again today, the body knows first. Movement wakes the day. When daily life becomes rhythm, walking clears the mind, one stair step. The heart begins to smile. Run for the bus, blood vessels start to dance. Rise from the chair, persuading the waist. Typing keys, fingers beat a drum. Move the mouse, rotate the wrist. Answer the call, stand where you are. Walk for water, a sugar level stroll. After lunch, 10 minutes of walking. Quick steps after brushing teeth. Hang the laundry, shoulders grow wings. Wash the dishes, waves roll through the waist. Taking out trash, a short parade. Stairs instead of elevators, a greeting. Standing while calling, seated, fatigue released. Cross and uncross legs, circulation returns. One stretch, focus, recharge. Clap and smile, lungs open wide. Nod the head, free the neck, shake the legs. Tension flows out. Lift the bottle, arms at work. A gentle sway, lymphatic cleaning. Daily repetition turns into muscle rhythm. Becomes the pulse of life. Movement becomes habit. The shift into conscious motion. Walking faster, sweat begins to speak. One lap of jogging, vessels expand. Pedal the bike, knees begin to laugh. Open the arms wide, breathe in full. One squat, the lower body awakens. Hold the plank, strengthen the core. Stretch it long, release the fascia. Yoga breathing, align the nerves. Sway like dancing, spirits rise. Climb the stairs in sequence, a cardio trial. Swimming strokes, a full body dialogue. Throw and catch, reflexes respond. Badminton, shuttle eyes and feet in sync. Jump rope, rhythm, bones reply. Sweat writes letters of detox. After breathlessness, calm arrives. The harder the heart works, the farther the blood can travel. The more muscles are used, the younger they stay. Joints live longer when they move. The brain loves motion. Exercise becomes medicine. Consistency writes the prescription. Today's movement shapes tomorrow's body. Progress heals more than stopping. Living like a grandfather clock. Grandfather clock never stops. Left and right, the law of life. Stop and you rust, sway and you live. Each day's pendulum shakes the body. Routine creates health. Small is enough if it's every day. Frequent steps beat one big move. Short but repeated becomes strength. The body keeps on its records. Movement never tells a lie. Habits matter more than age. Move before illness arrives. Walk before medicine is needed. The courage to rise from a chair. Today's choice turns the clock. The second hand never stops. The heart wants the same. The body remembers rhythm. Rhythm extends life. Even when shaken, move forward like a grandfather clock. In the same place every day, alive and moving again today.